This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the Docker file. You already have code and Docker installed, so start writing. Specify from and a sensible base image for size and compatibility, then set workdir so paths are predictable. Copy only necessary files to keep the image small and use. Docker ignore to exclude dev artifacts. Once done, add a concise run line to install runtime dependencies. This reduces build steps and improves layer caching for faster rebuilds. Now you build and optimize. Start with Docker build tmyapp latest, and watch layer output to detect expensive steps. Use multi-stage builds. Compile or install heavy tools in a builder stage, then copy only runtime artifacts into the final stage to minimize bytes. Combine related run commands with and to reduce layers, and pin package versions to ensure reproducible builds. Make sure to test the image locally with Docker run at rm. This confirms behavior before deployment. Finally, you verify, tag, and publish. Start containers with required ports and environment variables to confirm runtime behavior. Use rm for quick tests. When satisfied, tag the image for your registry and push it. Include a semantic tag like 1, 0, or a commit hash for traceability. If something breaks, check the Docker build output and container logs. Run Docker history and Docker inspect to find problematic layers or misconfigured metadata. One key troubleshooting tip: rebuild with no cache to rule out stale layers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.